Hey guys, today let's learn to turn on the level in camera on your iPhone iOS 17. So if you guys want to go ahead and have this level feature on your cameras on the iOS 17 on your iPhones, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the settings option. Next I would like you to scroll down until you see the camera applications on here and go ahead and see its settings, and I want you to go ahead and tap on this option called a level. Now I would like you guys to have this enabled, and once that is done, all we need to do is to go on over on our camera applications and then proceed with pointing on anything that is on our screens. And as you see, there will be a level option or a level symbol, or basically a level on your screen, so that you could go ahead and level your specific photo and make it straight just like that. And that's how you guys could have this new level option on your cameras on the iOS 17. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.